Hey guys, thanks for watching Florida Outdoor Adventures. I appreciate all of you watching and clicking on this video. Today I'm going to cover a few new items that I'm going to be taking on my Morocco motorcycle adventure. Some of the stuff I've been using for a long time and it's, I think, pretty essential, and some new items that I want to share with you for filming and attaching to the motorcycle. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for the upcoming videos in Morocco. I think you're going to like them. Okay, let's get started. First off is a Zero Lemon Tough Juice 30,000 milliamp hour battery bank. This, if you've seen any of my other videos, have been powering my camera, my iPhone, anything that I need charged up, even my laptop, with a USB-C connection, a rapid connection, 4 USB connections for multiple items. This is a must-have on the motorcycle, so you could charge up your gear while you're riding and not depend on the little plug on the motorcycle to help you. Definitely something to take with you on a trip where you have limited power. Next up, I want to try this new item. I've never used it before, but I think it's going to be a nice addition to the videos on the motorcycle. It's the Fantaseal 11-inch adjustable articulating friction magic arm. I don't know about the magic, but let me show you what it's all about. It's just an arm that you could attach at different locations on your motorcycle, or anything else really. So literally by tightening this one connection, it either loosens or tightens every socket, every joint. So I guess that's the magic part, guys. So this point here, attachment point, you could put maybe on the side of the motorcycle, on the pannier rack, on the grab handle of the passenger, maybe the rear foot peg, and you just tighten it up and adjust accordingly the arms, and then the camera would go. I'm filming right now, but the GoPro would go right here, and you have multiple ways to connect everything. And here's the GoPro connection, and you could also connect other cameras. Obviously, you could take the GoPro adapter off, and you could put any type of. I wouldn't put a cell phone on the motorcycle; it's gonna fall off. But these are sturdy connections here for the GoPro, or just a small handheld camera. Maybe you could just screw it on here at this camera screw. So Fantaseal, guys, all these things I'm going to put a link in the description on Amazon. They're very inexpensive, and I think they're going to be helpful for my video of Morocco. Next up, we have these Odd Bum wireless headset. This is going to be my audio source for my trip. I'm flying over to Morocco. So when you get on the airplane, or if you're walking around the airport, you have to look cool with some cool headphones. I'm just kidding, you don't have to look cool, but don't you notice that when you go to the airport, there's a bunch of people, almost everybody has a cool headset. So this is going to be my cool headset. They're very nice, very inexpensive. I think they're like 20-25 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. And you just charge these up, they last forever, and the audio is very nice. Odd Bums, look at the quality right here. And they fit real nice on your ear. The sound is great. You have some controls here for the volume and answering calls. Also, these are waterproof and obviously Bluetooth wireless headsets. Okay, next up is my Trichology hammock and straps. I'm going to carry this on the motorcycle everywhere. It's very compact. Basically going to be for maybe just taking a break and stopping somewhere nice with a nice view and just relaxing. But I'm really carrying it for an emergency, where if we don't find a place to stay, if we're too late to arrive in a town maybe, and I find a place to strap this hammock up, this is going to be my sleeping. I'll just leave all my riding gear on and just put this hammock up, and this will be my bed for the night. So it's more like emergency compact camping, I would call it. But the value of this hammock system is amazing. I think it's like 25 bucks maybe, but it includes a hammock and these really good straps. If you compare this hammock to the other big name brand ones, it's at least double the price. Just do your homework and you'll see. These are the good straps with the multiple length attachment points, so you could put the hammock carabiners at different positions and you don't have to adjust the rope or the strap. This is definitely a great value, guys. You should really have one of these with you. And it doesn't have to be on a trip. You could have it to go to the beach or go to a park, and everybody's going to want to get on the hammock. You won't even be able to use it if you go with other people. Next up, also for the flight over with the definitely taking this with me with the audio, the wireless headset. It's this little travel pillow from Trickology. I'll put the link down below. You know I will. This is what it looks like when you inflate it. But this is just a neck pillow. But look how small it is. It fits in my hand. This one I've used a bunch of times. Here you have it. Oh yeah. Next up is my Florida Outdoor Adventure stickers. I'll be carrying a bunch of these with me everywhere on the motorcycle. Just in case I meet any of you guys watching this video, shoot me an email if you're going to be anywhere near Agaham, England, September 9th, 2018. It's a Sunday. I'm going to be spending the night there, and then on Monday morning, September 10th, 2018, I pick up my motorcycle from Moto Freight. After that, I'm heading south to Portsmouth, and there I'm going to spend the night. Anybody down in Portsmouth, shoot me an email. Let's hang out, have a beer. From Portsmouth, I'm taking the ferry to Santander, and anybody in Santander, if you're watching this video, just shoot me an email. Let's grab a estrella and some jamon. From Santander, I'm going to meet the guys, and that's when the real adventure starts. We're going to head to Morocco. If you haven't seen the previous video, I'll put a link right here. And we're gonna take 4 motorcycles, 4 friends, and we're gonna explore all of Morocco. We're gonna do a big loop around it. So stay tuned for those videos. Please subscribe.